Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the world of English vocabulary, one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so glad you're here with me today. Our word of the day is agency. It's a B2 level noun that refers to an organization providing a service. Let's break it down and see how it works in everyday language. The word agency is commonly used to describe a business or organization that acts on behalf of others or offers a specific service. For example, you might hear about a travel agency, which helps plan vacations, or a talent agency, which represents actors and models. It's a versatile word that pops up in various professional and everyday contexts. Now, let's talk about some synonyms for agency. Words like organization, company, and firm are often used in similar contexts. For instance, you could say, I contacted a real estate firm to find a new apartment, or the event planning organization took care of everything for the wedding. These alternatives work depending on the type of service or context. On the other hand, antonyms for agency include words like individual or independence, which highlight a lack of organizational involvement. For example, instead of using an agency to book your flight, you might handle it yourself, saying, I prefer to plan my trips independently. In everyday life, the word agency is everywhere. You might talk about a marketing agency creating a new campaign for a brand, or hear someone mention a government agency working on community projects. It's also used metaphorically, as in having the agency to make your own decisions, meaning the power or ability to act independently. Here are some practical examples of agency in action. I hired an employment agency to help me find a new job, or the advertising agency launched a successful campaign for the product. Another example could be, they worked with an environmental agency to protect the local wildlife. So, to summarize, today we explored the word agency, a noun that describes an organization providing a service. We talked about synonyms like organization, company, and firm, as well as antonyms like individual and independence. We also looked at how agency is used in both literal and figurative ways in everyday conversation. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Why not create your own sentence using agency and share it in the comments? Your support means so much to me, so if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. It really helps others discover the show. Thanks for listening to Hello Word, and I'll see you next time.